Hello everyone, how you people are doing? My dear Capricorns, how are you people doing? So we will check in your August mid energy. So welcome sweethearts, welcome. I hope you people are doing great, okay? And spreading love and positivity. Thank you so much for sending me so much of love and positivity, friends. And I'm your astrologer, Reiki healer, tarot card reader, and cartomancer reader, Sangeeta Kalita. And friends, here I believe that love is completely a luxury, and what is luxury is, it's in abundance and it's a comfort. The thing you have in abundance, you can literally share them with everyone. So I believe that love is luxury, and I believe in sharing love. And the more you give, the more you receive. So be a giver, okay? Be a giver. So friends, a quick announcement, follow my Insta. It's only till August 15 that I will be providing free Reiki healing and one card pool for people from 11 to 20 years. So rip that benefit out. I will be closing it by 15th of August, okay? So Capricorns, let's start. I know you love my channeling, so let's channel the messages. Let's see what is going on. Rise your vibrations, Capricorn. Rise your vibration. You people are very tense. I feel a very tensed energy. What is going on, Capricorn? Did you have a fight? Or what? What is going on? I find you people are so tensed. I didn't sense something happened here. Did you had a fight? I'm sensing a fight, an argument, a very back and forth energy. What is going on here? Stop arguments, stop arguments. It's not the right time to speak up. Universe is telling me. Stop arguments, Capricorn. It is not the right time to speak up. Definitely your timing is on the horizon and you will get your time. You will get that time. What is going on with our Capricorn? You are not sleeping. My God. People, what happened? You are so tensed. You are not sleeping. What happened, sweethearts? Too many cards. Like you are in such a back and forth energy. Should I do? Shouldn't I? Should I go? Shouldn't I? Your energy, relax. Relax. Why? Why you are self-sabotaging? Sometimes you need to go things according to their way. Definitely somebody broke your heart. The person you thought to be your wish fulfillment, and this person broke your heart. But listen to me, if something is not serving you, let this energy go out. Listen. Oh my God, see? World card in the reverse position. This is your energy, because you are not trusting the divine purpose. You are not just trusting that you can do this for yourself. You can get whatever you want, Capricorn. You pave away your own destiny. We all do this. We all have that free choice to do this. Then why are you self-sabotaging yourself? That you people are You people are having so much of negative talk to yourself that I'm not good enough. You are like sacrificing yourself for somebody else. You are just allowing people to take away your energy and suck your blood like vampires. Why you are doing this? You shouldn't do this. Why? Sometimes it is okay to let go what doesn't serve us, and sometimes we need to trust the divine plan, because sometimes we don't understand there is a blessing in disguise, and we question that thing and we repel the blessings. So don't do that, because you have a blessing coming in. Let's see what is going on with our Capricorns. Okay, meditate, pull back your energy, let people think whatever they think. See, you are feeling that you are not worthy, you will never get true love. You are thinking like that. You are so much juggling that where to go, how to go, and I'm never gonna get a I'm never gonna get. See, Emperor at the back of the deck. You people are not valuing yourself. You are not valuing your powers. You are thinking that I'm never gonna get a true love because I have been failure in my previous relationship. I never gonna get true love, but it is not the fact. This is not the fact. Definitely, your wish is gonna fulfill. Definitely your wish is gonna fulfill. Definitely divine gonna give you on the right time. Just trust the process. What is going on here? Universe, what is going on with my Capricorns? Please bring some light in the room, universe. Bring some light in the room. Oh my god, too many cards. Okay, I'm not taking them, sweetheart. Too many cards here. Okay, I'm not taking them. Universe, what is going on with my Capricorns here? What is going on here? I'm not getting actually. The cards are like juggling so much. Again, we have this King of Cups in the reverse. Because you are so much not in confident. You think that I'm not gonna get this love anymore. But it's not, because your universe is saying you just whatever you have done, you will get the benefit. Trust the process. Because you will get this victory. Trust the process. Heal yourself. Heal. Your heart chakra is not healed right now. Oh my god. Heal yourself. Definitely this truth is coming to you, Capricorns. There is a truth coming for you. There is a communication coming for you. But be in your power. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Thank you, universe. I got some positive readings here. Two of Cups at the back of the deck. Definitely what I'm telling you, as the time you pull back your energy, the time you stop giving others, that the magic happens there. Why are you giving? Stop giving your energy to someone who is not worthy of that. I'm sorry to say, but I have to be needle sharp. I have to. I can't sugarcoat. Because viewers, I'm literally feeling that you're wasting your energy in a person, in a thought. If it's not a person, in a thought that you are not good enough. But believe me, you are awesome. You are manifestors. You pave your way. You know how to get your things done. And when you know that, then why to self-sabotage yourself? You need not do that, okay? You need not do that. Okay, let's see. See, again we have a chariot here. Definitely the person you are concerning, that they are water signs, because water is very strong here. Cancer, Scorpio, you know, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, Taurus. We have Taurus also. Let's see. See, you cannot take a move. You are so stuck in an energy. You cannot see anything. You are so stuck. Definitely there is Ace of Cups. Definitely there is a new beginning, but it came in reverse because you are not taking. You are not taking that leap of faith. You are not trusting your energies. Clear your energies. Clear. Definitely. Universe. See what we have here. See. We have so many beautiful cards here. See, the Fool. Take this leap of faith. Trust that you can do this. Take this leap of faith. The Fool. You can do this. Trust the process. Just go and enjoy. Take out some time for yourself. Take care. You are not taking care of yourself even. Jack, see, you are a romantic person. Definitely you will get a romantic love in your life, because Eight of Pentacles, somebody will definitely, because you are not doing good in your workplace also. You keep yourself so much disturbed from your personal issues that you are not good in your workplace also. Then definitely there is a new beginning in your work also. There is a new beginning of life here. There is more good things waiting in future. Just trust and go and take that leap of faith. Okay, so let's see what universe wanna tell you. Okay, but let's see. Okay, universe, tell something for my Capricorns. Okay, let's see what universe tell something for my Capricorns. We have sufficient. Okay. Speak up what you feel. Don't hesitate to speak up. Because your throat chakra is completely blocked. You are not talking to anyone the problem you are suffering. Speak up. You have all right. We live in a democratic country and we can speak up what we don't like, what doesn't serve us. Okay, angel hug. See, divine is with you. Angels wanna hug you. Just spread your arms and feel the blessing. Angels wanna hug you. Trust. Take a new faith. Take a new beginning. Trust. Oh my God. Serve this society. See, you people need to serve the society, because you do some act of charity. Go and help people, go and talk to people, speak up. I think you have very good advising capacities. You can communicate well with people, so go and do help. I think you can save somebody's life, with your experiences, because our bad experiences is our asset. I feel that our bad experiences is our asset. Sometimes you can make people's life more good with your experiences. So speak up, serve the society. This pain has oh my God, this pain has a lesson. Grow up. The pain you went through, it's a lesson, but it's an asset for you. The warriors, they go for fight, and the cut marks they get, the scars they get, they never treat it as a wound. They treat it as the crown. So your pains are your crown. Be the king. Be that warrior. Okay, go and take a new beginning. I hope you people like this reading. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for your next reading. I hope you get. I believe that you people will go and take that leap of faith. So bye bye, take care, love you all. Bye bye.